that first look, to that first kiss, to that first, well, you know, when she looked at me and we both smiled. Step by step, the distance faded. Two young hearts running wild, back when time was on our side. And the road felt wide and long, every mile felt like forever, with her riding right along. Now I'm headed for the old folks back 40. Heart still young but moving slower these days. Life's a long road full of stories, some sunshine and some rain, hidden heartaches close to the edge sometimes, but we made it through the storm. All those sorrows are behind me now, and love's what kept me warm. Porch light shining late. Some nights we laughed until sunrise, some nights we bowed to fate. The years rolled by like tumbleweeds across that open land, but every turn I took in life I took with her hand in mine. Now I'm headed for the old folks back 40. Heart still young but moving slower these days. Life's a long road full of stories, some sunshine and some rain, hidden heartaches close to the edge sometimes, but we made it through the storm. All those sorrows are behind me now, and love's what kept me warm. Now the mirror shows a silver man where a young boy used to stand, but the fire still burns inside my chest when I reach out for her hand. Time may bend these weary bones, but it can't erase the truth. Every mile I walked with her kept a little of my youth. Yeah, I'm headed for the old folks back 40. Heart still young though the road's grown long. Every scar tells a story, every memory a song. Those hidden heartaches tried to break me, but love pulled me through. Now the past is just a photograph of the life we made come true. Yeah, the past is just a photograph of the life we made come true.